Some of the designers on our team have been here before and had good experience, and so, we're the greener ones when it comes to using Alias. So naturally they wanted to send us here to get some training. Our experience here at Design Engine was a good one. We went through all kinds of different tutorials and scenarios that would be beneficial to use, skills to use when using the software. Learned a lot, took a lot of notes, and had a lot of questions answered, and gave us contact information so we could always get back with more questions. Joel did a great job. He would show us things, and he'd have to show us things again because we wouldn't retain it, and come over and help us out, and we'd run into little snags, and those are always opportunities to learn other things. So it was good.
Both of us has different experience for Alias. I had some classes in school, so I kind of half semi know about the details of the tools generally, but without using that for a long time I kind of forgot. So he'll be able to contact me, just one by one, and then help me to figure out some details that my concern is.
I had just gone through some tutorials on my own before I started, and so what Joel provided for me was he showed his method for setting up his workspace and how he arranges his tools and everything like that, and started from the basics and kind of worked us into more complicated scenarios on how to use the software. And so it really kind of gave me a platform to start.
At the beginning, he was able to cover from the very bottom, tools, very basic, from option levels. I remember that's what he begins with. So basically, just getting everyone familiar and reminding about the tools, the options like that. And then later on, he could, sacrifice. Know everyone's pace and levels, and then try to focus individually. I had some other instructors back in school, and since my school is more automobile based, so all the instructors are from car manufacturers. So the differences would be Joel is more like a general, doing everything. So he has a pretty rich experience in doing some small fillets or small project, and as well as the big projects like cars. So that'll be a good benefit for us, because the job we do is not only automobile thing. It's more from big size, exterior of the aircraft to a small component, could be that. So that'll be really a good experience. Generally, we had a good week, definitely.
Mm-hmm.
It was pretty shocked for both of us. It's totally different from the life, the world that we are come from. And I like that I basically had the experience coming to Chicago. It was not really good impression at the beginning, but later, this time was really fantastic. All the restaurants are good. The location of the facility is really good, and right in downtown, very convenient, and everything is within walkable areas.
Yeah, and everybody here that works at Design Engine was, giving us all the ideas of places to go and eat and how to get around town, and so it was real helpful. Made our experience better.
Chicago is the right place to go for the design, and then this area I think has a really heavy design sense influence. I can tell through the studio, decorations, all the decoration and designs outside the hallways was really good and unique, and I think that's a particular good place. And also the instructors can cover different people from different backgrounds. Like I said, you could be from an automotive design background, and also could come from an engineering background, or even sketchers like me.
When I go back to work on Monday, I think I'll be able to confidently sit at my workspace and have an idea on how to, what the angle of attack is on a project, and maybe how to start modeling something. So it's huge. It's beneficial.